Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your speaker output device on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the launcher icon to open up that menu, and then select the settings button. On the left panel, select device, and then on the right side underneath device, select audio versus output for your speaker. Click the drop down, and if you have other speaker devices connected to your Chromebook via USB port, you should be able to select them here. And you can also adjust the volume right below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.